MotoTales here. If you don't recognize the road I'm on, this is part of Tail of the Dragon. This is the lower part. I'm coming up from Fugitive Bridge towards the store. We're not going to do Tail of the Dragon today, though. It's a Sunday. It's in fall. The leaves are starting to change. I guarantee the place is a circus day. Crap! Bro! What the hell is he doing up here? Anyway, we're going to go try to find one of those roads that when you say Deals Gap is the best road on the East Coast, all the other people say, no, it's not. There's plenty of other good roads in the area. But then they don't actually tell you any of them, and if they do, they're not as good as Tail of the Dragon. So I know it'd be crazy busy, a lot of people here. I don't really feel like dealing with that. Pretty shame. It's a long time since I've been up here. I don't really feel like dealing with that. But I do feel like riding on a good road, so I'm going to do that. It's crazy of things. I'm going to try to go find one. So, starting off, notice we just got on 28. This is a part of Moonshiner 28. And it is a good road. I think it's toward Fontana Dam. This ride's called Moonshiner 28. So it starts all the way back there at the store at Tail of the Dragon. And goes all the way to Walhalla, South Carolina. Is it better than the Dragon? In some ways yes, in some ways no. The Dragon is like very condensed. 11 miles of just kick-ass curves. And 28 is full of curves and good stuff, but it's not condensed. It's stretched out over about 100 miles. I'm on 28. This is part of Moonshiner, but it's 4-lane. Usually not conducive to kick-ass roads. So it's part of it. It's not that much, maybe 15 miles of this, I think. 28 south, right here, this little Mexico looking thing. It says Lueda, Laodada. Anyway, you see it there, 28, shit, yeah, 28 south. So this section of it's really cool, this part going down to Cali. Nice turns. Lots of kudzu to look at, keeps things interesting. Saying parts of this road are really good and probably are as better than Tail of the Dragon. It's just a matter of putting it all together. You know the bikers? See what I mean though about this part? It's just very good. It almost looks like that's a beach drum. I had one of those. Well, I had a 650 version of it. Good bikes though. I wish it stuck behind traffic. Thank you. Now, will this guy pull off or not? Well, I'm so probably not. Beach drum is chicken the heck out. See what I mean about this road though? I'd put this section right here beside Tail of the Dragon anytime. I'm not gonna lie, this guy on his V-Strom is getting it. Not very often that I don't keep up with somebody or catch up with somebody if I want to. Especially not another 8 speed ride. I've actually caught up with him, but not easy. I think it's funny when you get on these really curvy roads like this. A lot of times the waving at other bikers thing sort of gets put on hold because you're busy riding. And then you'll come around the curve and there'll be some guy waving at you. And then you feel obligated to wave back even if you are paying attention more to the road. It's a good 6 or 7 miles of kick-ass road. that absolutely does give Tell the Dragon a run for its money. It settles down here for a little bit now, and we'll get back into some more good stuff in a little bit. So we're coming into Franklin. Got to make sure we stay on 28 South here. But Franklin is actually one of my favorite places in this northwestern North Carolina area, because it's kind of the center of all this. You know, you got every road in and out of Franklin is great, and it can take you to, you know, lead you to so many good roads. It's very centrally located, all of them. Alright, so we're coming up on the good part, head up in the Highlands. Right now we're headed through a little area called Colasaja Gorge. Good. So far, so good. No traffic. Look how cool is this though. Oh, crazy. Crazy that they put a road through here. It's an awesome road though. We're not really here for waterfalls. That guy just about killed me. Assholes everywhere. It's not that hard to stay on your side of the road, I promise. We brought up little falls. They're doing some kind of construction. Guess you can't go in there right now. Pretty though. Alright, so we're in going through the downtown part of Highlands. It's very bougie. Mountain town run amok. And here it says 28 South, we need to take a right. That's what we're going to do. Here on the yellow. There we go. Pretty cool place. But we're looking for Walhalla. So 28 South it is. Going so slow, traffic's catching up with me. Take that, bitches. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, if you decide to do this road, I know a really cool way to get back up, you know, to Gill's Gap area. I'll put a little link to that video, right there. Can't remember the road number right now, but the video tells you. That tells you how to get there and all that. Alright, so we're in Georgia now. And there's no traffic in the way. Man, this road is slow. And flowy. Drive through 3 states in 2 hours. I'm trying to 28 will do it for you. But Lord. We've been going mostly down ever since Highlands. Now we're going back up just a little bit. Like I said, I've done a video about just this section of the road because it is the best section in my opinion. But it seems like it's the least well known, and I don't understand that. Because it is such a good piece of road. See what I mean? That's just what more you ask for. Georgia Mountain Road. It's all Appalachian, baby. It's all Appalachian. I mean, you just see how good this road is. It's like this for miles. 2 handfuls of fun. Plus, it's split up amongst 3 different states, so it's really hard for all those different cops to work together. Just saying, I've never seen a cop on it, so miles an hour. Perhaps try the brakes. Oh look, they work. Good job, Tom. This section and this section coming into Howie, however, I'll put those beside the Dragon anytime as just as good as, if not better. If stick those 2 sections together, it would definitely be better. And other than having to dodge that one Jeep for my life, I've really not had much trouble with traffic. Welcome to South Carolina. Hello, Mr. Kerr. Listen to that big triumph in my 3-cylinder screen, sun coming through the trees. What a day, what a ride, what a road. Hello. Is it better than Dill's Gap? Better than Tail of the Dragon? It depends on what you want to do, really. If you just want the curves, just want the adrenaline rush of riding on a mountain road, riding a bit too quickly, then no, it's not better than Tail of the Dragon. Tail of the Dragon is unbeatable for that, because it's 11 miles, super condensed, super curvy road. That's a lot of fun. This is stretched out over 100 miles. You have super fun, interesting parts, and then you have places that are a little more chill and, you know, a couple little towns and that kind of thing. If you just want to go out for a ride and enjoy the sights and scenery and have some curves thrown in there to keep it exciting, then yeah, this is better than Tail of the Dragon. That little sign says Walhalla city limit, so we made it. So we did the entire Moonshiner 28. Absolutely take the time to do Moonshiner 28 if you're coming down to do Tail of the Dragon. You will have so much fun. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video, so like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, because every time you do, it'll be one tiny step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing that I want to do. I don't want to turn left here. What's the problem? There's a football stadium, or soccer field, whatever you want to call it. Probably at the right time. Oh, I guess it's just a soccer field. I don't see any goalposts. Oh, soccer stadium. Boom, nailed it. See how quick I am? I don't miss a thing. I don't miss a thing. Oh, there's not turned off, went the wrong way there. So thanks for watching. Have a good ride. Come ride this. It's really good.